good day, guys, and welcome to another video. As you saw in the last video, my family is here, so I had the boss man with me. And we're on Bottom Road by Dead End, and we're going to do some plane spotting. So we're going to walk around the wall and go by the fence. Let's go, I'm really excited. We're by the wall at the end of Dead End. Look how clear the water is, you see all the fish?
Yeah.
Alright, so we got distracted by the clear water. We're going to go around the wall and head to the back of the airport. So let's go. You have to get your feet wet here. Luckily the tide is not high, so coming around is not an issue. And there is sun coming around the wall. You guys can hear the planes already, right? So there's this little track we need to follow. Let's go. Alright, so we're here and they block up the bridge with wire. It's a tad dangerous. What do you want to do?
Let's go and walk.
Why not go walk in the water?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. So there's a plane coming there. Not sure you can see it. Because of all the razor wire they put on the bridge. We're still trying to get it. Hopefully we don't get into trouble. We walked into the river because it's pretty shallow. And we crossed this way. So we crossed the river there in the water because they blocked the bridge. And if you look, that's the runway right there. And here we are. So there's my son in the back there, and as you know, those pylons you're seeing, those are lights. That's the runway, the beginning of the runway, and it ends, of course, on the actual runway. We're seeing the dot of a lights of another one coming in, so we should get that one pretty good. Some there waiting, 2 planes waiting to take off because we're not seeing any more coming, and that's the engines you're hearing. So what do you think so far, boss?
It's real cool.
Cool, right?
It's a great experience, yeah.
No, honestly, the way they block up the bridge, I would recommend that you guys come and do this, but we're still having a good time.
Yeah, it's great.
I'm not even sure how much of my speaking you can hear with all the engine noise. But just now it just kicked in, we didn't expect it. So we're going to experience it 2 more times because there are 2 more planes waiting. Alright? The power, the blast, the jet engine power.
It's coming, they're coming!
They're coming. Alright. Take off now. a bit embarrassed to admit I was on this pile of dirt here. And when that second plane took off, the blast was so powerful, I fell down. Look at my knees. Check that. So yeah, it's not really the safest thing to do. You just have to make sure you get a good footing, or maybe not try this at all. How was it, son?
I love it.
So I got good video of him standing up against the blast. I don't know if I'm old, but I didn't stand up. I got knocked, literally knocked off my feet. Get ready. Really is something else. That's still the jet power there. Just waiting around a little bit more. There's supposed to be 1 or 2 more flights coming, but we're not seeing any in the air at the moment. We're not too sure if they land early. Sometimes they come in, they land early. So some of the planes we saw, maybe it was those and they just came in like 10-15 minutes earlier. It happens. Whoa. You're really seeing the impact on the water of the jet blast when the planes take off. That son down there, he's dodging this one. He felt too much of the blast, so he's taking a break behind the wall. How was it?
It was great.
It was good, right?
Yeah, it was a good time.
Now this is something I've done many times, and I always say all the time, if Vivek was here, man, if the boss man was here, if my son was here, so you're finally here.
Yeah.
So happy.
That one coming in?
Our next one coming to take off. After that, we're riding out. Watched enough planes land. We're not even sure more is coming in for the day. So me and son heading home. We're going to take a little bath first. We'll see if we give you guys any shots of that, but this was the plane spotting adventure. They're really trying to stop people from coming here, so I might not do more of these videos, and I would advise you, really not to come, right? Because the force of the plane did knock me down, and as you saw, I did damage myself, so they know what they're doing. So no more plane spotting, at least from this location. Maybe we'll go on the other side of the airport where it's safe, and we'll do it from there next time. And because they blocked the bridge, we have to take the long way back and actually cross the river here in the water, as you saw the same way when we came crossing. So the little cuts I got from falling down from the plane blast is really burning in the salt water. I guess that's the price you have to pay if you want to do some light trespassing to get video. Right, so now we're on the little rocky beach behind. That's the wall that we have to walk around. So we're basically back. And we're back on dead end. So we just got home from the beach. Well, we went plane spotting. Had fun, boss?
It was real good, yeah.
Yeah. So we went to the beach and it kind of cleaned out the damage I got when I got blown off by the jet engine. But anyway, it was still good, still fun. As always, thanks for watching. As you guys could see, we're going to have a good time with the family. As always, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.